Sometimes you change your woods. We have changed our woods somewhere else. It is hard to adjust. To new woods. When you've been through trauma, adjusting is very hard. Sometimes the primary reason why we back out is because we can't adjust. You just gotta find a rhythm. Adjust to the land. Adjust to the people. It might even help you appreciate the people you miss even more. And be thankful for what you do have. Being thankful is the key. That you didn't leave because things were broken. But because you wanted an experience. You gotta leave for the right reasons, for it to feel right. Because wherever you go, there you are. That is true. That is very true. You will attract the same kind of people because that is what you tend to attract in the first place. Boy. So far, staying high vibrational, coming from a place of love.